Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to copy a Binance wallet address. First, open the Binance app and unlock it, then tap Wallet and choose the coin you want to receive. Next, tap Receive to display your address as text and a QR code. Use the copy icon or long press the address to copy it to your clipboard, then paste it into the sending app and double-check the first and last characters before confirming. Double-checking is the most important habit when copying addresses. After you paste, compare the first and last 6 characters or the checksum to ensure accuracy. Never rely on links from email or chat without verifying the address directly in your Binance app. Consider sending a small test amount to confirm the destination before transferring larger sums, and enable any additional safety features like address whitelisting or withdrawal confirmations in your account settings. If you run into trouble copying an address, stay calm and try a few quick fixes. Restart the Binance app or your device to clear clipboard issues and ensure clipboard permissions are enabled. Alternatively, use the QR code scanner in the sending app to avoid manual pasting errors. Keep apps updated to prevent bugs, and if errors persist, reach out to official support channels rather than sharing your private keys or seed phrases with anyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.